To download applications in any iPhone, just navigate to your App Store, which is right here. Or if you are unable to find App Store, you can also find in App Library. Simply type App Store and tap on the application, and after that you will see at the bottom right corner here is a small search icon. Just tap on that and simply type the name of the application you want to download. Let's say I want to download YouTube. Once you have typed the name of the application, simply search and just tap on the icon, and right here you can see small download icon, or you can also see get icon. Just tap on that. So at this point it might ask for your iCloud password, so simply enter your current iCloud password and your download will be begin. Once the installation is complete, you can simply find this application on your home screen. Right here you can see YouTube is on the home screen, or if you are unable to find, you can also search in the app library. It is right here. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.